everybody! This previous Saturday, May 9th, was supposed to be my senior prom. I originally wasn't planning on going to it. It's not really my scene anymore. I don't really like the crowds too much and people grinding on each other. Not my type of thing. Since prom was canceled and I couldn't do anything that night, I ended up working Saturday. So I'm gonna do a little get ready with me, pretend it's my own prom. Right now we have our pre-care. Maybe I would do this the night before, you know, a nice little glitzy, I don't know, you feel good, you look good. Okay, so it is the next day, it's like 5 p.m. So let's pretend like this is the time that I would be getting ready. I am no professional in makeup whatsoever, and like I still don't really understand how it works. So we're just gonna kind of do somewhat of trying to do a nicer look. I know first thing you would want is primer. However, since I'm probably going to be taking this off fairly soon, I'm not gonna prime a lot of my face. We're also going to just skip foundation because when I have put on foundation in the past, it just feels like a lot and gross, and I wouldn't want to feel that way for prom. That's how it kind of felt last year, and it felt not pretty at all. So I'm just gonna start with some concealer. I use the NYX HD Studio Photogenic concealer, and 00 I think the shade is. But basically I'm pale, so I use light foundation. Okay, so since we have concealer done, I'm gonna set it with some just CoverGirl Clean face powder in 110 Classic Ivory. Okay, now for eyebrows. I don't do too much. I'm just using an e.l.f. brow pencil in taupe, and I just kind of go slightly with my eyebrows, and then I kind of just brush it out. So like that's something. And then blush. So I have this Wet n Wild makeup stick blush in the shade of Floral Majority. Boop this on my cheeks. Boop a little bit on my nose. I like that look, the vibe. And then we're just gonna kind of rub this around. Try to get it spread out a bit. Okay, and then since we have the cream blush somewhat on there, I'm just gonna take Feeling Blush Makeup Gallery Blusher and Soft Blush 1. I got it from Ireland. It's fairly the same color, and I'm just gonna put this on as well. And we have that. And then last but not least of our face, highlighter. This is something that I can somewhat understand how to use. So I'm using Revolution's Unicorn Elixir Liquid Highlighter. I'm just putting a little bit on my cheekbones, on the tip of my nose, spreading it out. I've gotten so many compliments on it. Like, it's so easy to do and I love it, and it's just like, ooh, sparkly. Here's the face. And then we're gonna try to get onto the eyes, and then I'll put some concealer down here. So first up with the eyes, we will be using some primer because that helps the eyeshadow color bring out. I know some facts, just execution is the problem. So I just have Doobie Luminex. It's a face primer, and that's the only primer I have. So I'm just having a little bit on my finger, and then applying this around my eye, going all the way up in the inner crease and even a bit underneath my eye. Okay, so I think the two palettes that we could have going for us, for sure the Profusion Naturals eyeshadow palette. I use this one quite frequently and I've had more experience with it. I also have this Revolution makeup palette. It's in the Division or whatever palette. I'm going to go with like a gold because I have a gold little purse that I thrifted, so like that would be a match, right? So we are going to do first the all over eyeshadow, and I'm gonna take in the Profusion Naturals palette. Let's do Silky, and I'm gonna put this on the inner corner. Then I'm gonna try with this goldy shade here. There is no label, but like this one in the Revolution. Similar names. Yeah, I'm just gonna take a normal eyeshadow brush and try to put that on the center of my eyelid, or most of my eyelid. know what? I feel like that looks decent. It's fairly even, and I'm not sure how much better we will get. I'm gonna use a handy dandy crease brush. We're gonna just take this mustard in the Revolution palette and just kind of put it in the crease. Yeah, you know what? I don't hate it. I will be just taking an eyelash curler and just curling my lashes and applying mascara. The mascara I use is Great Lash by Maybelline New York in Very Black. And then I just do a little bit on the bottom lashes. And of course we got mascara on our nose, but it's gone now. So I'm going to be taking some concealer since we are done with our eye look and putting it underneath the eyes to help brighten that area up a bit. And last but not least, we are going to pair this with a lovely red lipstick. I've been using the Katy Perry CoverGirl Katy Cat Matte in Crimson Cat for speech with my red pants, so we're just gonna trust her. So we're blotting this a little bit. So here's our finished look. I feel quite pretty, and then I'm just gonna put on the prom dress and we're gonna head outside. So this is so wrinkly, and I'm definitely like missing something on my shoulders. I have my little golden purse thingy that I would have held my phone and probably fruit snacks and hand sanitizer in. I'm wearing these, probably wouldn't have matched. I probably would have gone with some like gold juice to match everything, but I like these killer platforms. I would have painted my nails gold, but I don't have the time for that. And I also definitely would have put some sparkles on like my shoulders and collarbones. So here's our final look. I'm not sure if this neckline is very flattering, but I definitely would have liked a V-neck dress. But you can't get what you want always, so. Even though I don't really feel super pretty in the dress and I don't feel like it's super flattering to how I look, I really like my makeup and I'm pretty proud of it. And also, when I took the tag off of this dress, no tag, wine colored formal, so it was $18.99, and then I bought it at the treasure chest and it was 50% off, so it was technically only $9.50? Yeah, $9.50, so about $10, but still a heck of a steal. That's the moral. If I went to a senior prom, this is how I would have looked if I had. Also, this dress would have 100% been steamed and like decreased, but my plan was to get like a starry dress. I definitely have found that I like v-necks. I hated v-necks when I was younger. I still don't really like v-neck t-shirts, but I feel like a v-neck tank top dress is quite flattering, and I like how I look in them. That's some body positivity? I think so. But feel good, you look good. So I'm not sure if anyone wanted this, but I thought it was fun. I also would be flexing my little lemon tattoo. That's something. But yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. My name is Bella, and remember, stay the F home. Please. I'm missing out on so much. We're not crying. It's fine. But seriously, stay the fuck home. So that's something. Gross. Ugly. Nasty. How do I create, like, how do I... Oh, like this it looks like I'm naked. Oh, scandal. Should we film like this? Yeah.